It is time now for our business headlines with Tyler Orton of Business in Vancouver. Good morning, Tyler. Thanks for being with us. So we're going to talk GDP numbers first.
Yeah, you know what? After 2 months of declines, the Canadian economy is actually showing some signs of life. If we throw to the numbers, I can show you just where we're seeing the most strength in certain sectors. The economy grew 0.1% in April. Real estate, which of course is always having a big impact on the economies in both Vancouver and Toronto, that was up 3.3%. And mining, of course, it's a big factor in British Columbia. That's up 1.5%. But a lot of those gains in a lot of sectors wiped away by what's going on in oil and gas extraction. That fell 2.4%. So this is not a great way to start off the second quarter for April numbers. 0.1%. Sure, it's better than having no growth, but it's not great at this point. But economists forecast, although May and June will not be great because it's coming off those Alberta wildfires, we can expect a lot more growth in the third quarter coming up, and that could propel the Canadian economy further on throughout the rest of the year.
Well, that is positive news. Maybe you're right, because this increase is negligible, really, isn't it?
Exactly, yes.
And so, Tyler, this diamond is the second largest diamond ever?
Ever discovered. And I had to come back to talk about it because I heard how excited Caitlin was to hear about it, because, you know what, it could still be hers at this point because...
Wait, I want it to be mine.
Yeah, well, okay, you guys will have to do rock, scissors, paper over it pretty soon, because at this point, it's still up for sale. This is, like you said, the second largest diamond ever discovered. It was actually discovered by a Vancouver-based miner, Lucara Diamond Corp, in Botswana last fall. It went up for auction in London at Sotheby's last night, and it was expected to fetch at least $70 million US. But the minimum auction bid was not made at that point. The highest bid came in only at $61 million US.
Only $61 million.
Yeah. So what are we looking at? I mean, the big thing is that this auction was planned 4 months ago, and of course we have this Brexit vote. So that obviously took off a lot of potential bidders from the market because of all the uncertainty going on with the world economy. So William Lamb, the CEO of Lucara, he tells Business in Vancouver that the company's not in any hurry to sell it. Their balance sheets look great right now. They're not in any debt, so they're going to take it slow and wait for the right time and the right bidder.
And the right price, right?
Exactly, yes.
Oh, there are the pictures of the diamond. But look at that. That is... What would you do with that big rock?
I don't know. Well, they're not going to cut it at this point. They want to leave it uncut. It's 1,100 carats. I can only imagine like how that would feel in my hands.
That's insanity. That's a paperweight.
It would be the most expensive paperweight ever, though.
Yes. All right. Well, thanks, Tyler. And if you'd like more information on this massive diamond, you can go to BIV.com. Have a great holiday weekend.